Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I will be reviewing this wig. This is a burgundy straight wig. This is naturally straight and I honestly didn't have to even put the flat iron to it. So yeah, as I unboxed the wig, as I took the wig out of the packaging, I didn't like how there was no lace connected to the wig because I feel like, I don't know, I just like having lace on my wig. So the way the wig is constructed, especially in the front, is very weird to me. I've never had a wig constructed like this before. It's like some type of black padding. I don't know what it is, but it's some black padding. The part, as you could see in the beginning, I had to kind of define the part more because there was a slight part, but hair was all on the part, like it was not as defined. So I had to go in myself to define the wig. That wasn't no issue, but it's the fact that I had to like do mega defining because there was literally like no part in the wig. So, and on top of that, I can't even find my tweezers. So I just had to use my fingers to take out the hair myself. And yeah, it kind of took me a while to try to get the hair to kind of flatten out because it was just so, kind of bumpy and big, especially at the top. So I went in with my wand curler and I tried to flatten it out the best way I could, but it looks way better than how it looked when I took it out the package. The hair is really soft. I'll give it that. The hair is really soft and the color is really pretty. I just wish the wig was constructed way better than it is. And also trying to make some baby hairs was very, very tough. As you can see, there's the black padding I was talking about. So yeah, trying to make baby hair was very tough. So this little edge piece right here, it's not perfect, but I felt like I needed to put something there so it'll make the front of it look better, and my forehead's already big. So also, when I took it out the package, I noticed that the back of the wig was not already secured, so I had to go in and secure that myself. That wasn't really an issue. I honestly like wigs already being secured for me, but then for someone that already has to adjust wigs, I guess that's good for them. But yeah, the wig's super soft. The construction is just very weird to me. Like, I wish there was some lace so I could have actually laid it down on my head so I'll get it to look natural. But this was the best I could do, and I honestly feel like I did a pretty good job. Would I wear this out in public like this? I don't know, because to how my other wigs look and how I know how to lay my wigs, it'll kind of be odd for me, especially because of how the wig is constructed. Maybe I actually might go out in public with this, maybe with a hat or something on, but I wouldn't wear a hat like this. But maybe with the hat or something on, this will look way better than it does, just out. And I would definitely need to put earrings on with this. But the hair is very soft. Like, I like how the hair is. Really need to do is just brush the hair out. I've seen a few tangles, but the tangles just went right out. And I also like how the hair doesn't look too shiny to where it looks, super wiggy. It just looks like the hair has body and it's been, pressed to the gods. So that's my review on this wig. If you're interested in this wig, I would definitely link it in the description box. If you're a beginner with wigs, I feel like this is a good beginner wig, sort of. I mean, Probably not, because of all the work you would have to do. But if you don't have an issue, you know, putting in that work for this wig, then go ahead. I will definitely link this down below. And this is definitely good for if, you know, you're a beginner and you don't know how to lay your wig down, or you don't want to use a lot of product, you know, you just want to use some gel for some edges. This is the way to go. I would definitely be cutting that. But yeah, other than that, this is a smooth wig, you know. The color is really nice though. It's really, really nice. But that concludes this wig review. I hope someone found it very, very helpful. My social medias are linked in the description, and that's all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.